In this day and age, if you can Google it, you can do it, right? But what happens when the DIY fails? Who are you going to call? John Lober here, CEO of NOC Technology, and today I want to talk to you about a crucial decision many of you face. When is it time to ditch the DIY approach to IT and call in the professionals for managed IT services? First off, let me say this. I get it. As entrepreneurs, we wear many hats, and it's tempting to try and handle everything in-house, including our IT needs. But there comes a point when the complexity and demands of technology can become overwhelming. That's where managed IT services come in. So how do you know when it's time to make the switch? Here are a few signs to look out for. Number 1, frequent technical issues. Are you constantly dealing with network outages, slow performance, or software glitches? These issues not only hamper productivity, but can also harm your reputation with customers. If you find yourself putting out IT fires more often than not, it's a clear sign that you need professional support. Number 2, security concerns. With cyber threats on the rise, protecting your business data has never been more critical. Do you have robust cybersecurity measures in place, such as firewalls, antivirus software, and regular data backups? If not, you're leaving your business vulnerable to attack. Managed IT services can provide the expertise and tools needed to safeguard your digital assets so you can get back to safeguarding your operations and your bottom line. Number 3, scalability challenges. As your business grows, so does your IT needs. DIY solutions may struggle to keep up with increased demands, leading to performance bottlenecks and scalability issues. A managed IT provider can design and implement scalable solutions that grow with your business, ensuring smooth operations at every stage. And finally, number 4, time and resource constraints. Let's face it, your time is valuable, and so is your employees. Spending hours troubleshooting IT problems or trying to keep up with the latest technology trends takes away from what really matters: running your business. Outsourcing your IT needs to a managed services provider frees up your time and resources, allowing you to focus on strategic initiatives and growth opportunities. Now, there comes a time in every small business's journey when a DIY IT just doesn't cut it anymore. When you find yourself grappling with technical issues, security concerns, scalability challenges, or simply a lack of time and resources to manage your IT infrastructure effectively, it's time to consider partnering with a managed IT services provider like NOC Technology. Because at NOC Technology, we love, technology, but we're all about people, and we can't wait to meet you.